You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these medication, histamine and serotonin antagonist. If you want to learn more confusing medical terms, stay tuned. Got many more for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. Cyproheptadine. How to pronounce in English. Let's break it down. Cypro, not Cipro. Cyproheptadine. Overall, how to pronounce in English. Pronunciation, cyproheptadine. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.